If you're looking for a better way to streamline your research, you might have come across NotebookLM, but does it really deliver on that promise? Let's dive in and see if it lives up to the hype or if it's just another overhyped tool. NotebookLM positions itself as an AI research assistant designed to enhance your note-taking and information management. At its core, the platform allows users to create, organize, and retrieve notes efficiently. You can easily import documents, annotate them, and even generate summaries, which sounds super helpful, especially for students or professionals juggling multiple projects. The user interface feels relatively intuitive, making it easy to get started, but I did notice some features that could use a little more clarity. For instance, while the AI-generated summaries are a nice touch, they don't always capture the nuances of the material, which can be frustrating if you're looking for depth. It seems targeted toward anyone from students to researchers, but I wonder how effective it is for those needing more advanced features. Overall, it has potential, but I'd say the experience can be hit or miss depending on how you plan to use it. When it comes to the pros, NotebookLM does shine in its ability to organize information. The AI assistants can save time, especially for summarizing lengthy texts. However, there are some noticeable downsides. The AI sometimes misses key points, which might not suit users who need precise information. Another concern is the lack of transparency about data privacy and storage. In today's world, users are becoming increasingly cautious about where their information goes, and this aspect could deter some potential users. Pricing is another grey area, as it's not entirely clear if the features justify the cost compared to other research tools out there. If you're someone who just needs basic note-taking, you might find alternatives that are more straightforward and budget-friendly. In summary, NotebookLM has some solid features for those looking to streamline their research process, but it's not without its flaws. If you're a student or researcher needing basic organization and summarization, it might be worth a try. However, if you require more advanced capabilities or have privacy concerns, exploring other options could be a better fit.